YouTube, we are doing this for you. The seats in this car they are so strange. We have so much space going on here, and it's yeah.
So I can go around.
Yeah, and this is a spinner, and it's a wild mouse. So, and I don't think this is going to be pleasant, but we are doing this for you guys. Only for you.
And this was broke early.
Yeah, this was yeah, it wasn't operating early in the morning.
No.
It had a technical fault or a technical error, so we're kind of happy. Yep, it feels very safe, but it's very happy that we are allowed to.
It's very hard.
Är du rädd? She's so scared. Okay guys, first drop. Woo! She is very afraid. Second drop. Woo! Okay, I think it's gonna start spinning now. Yes, it does. Oh wow, this is so strange. Woo! Oh! Wow! This is wow! I did not expect that. Oh! Wow! It is not comfortable, but it's pretty exciting, and then we're gonna drop backwards. Whee! Oh my god! Oh, please stop spinning. Woo. Oh my god! Please stop spinning. It's doing a Ride to Happiness spin here. Oh. Okay. So we did that. How are you?
Oh my god, I'm crying.
Have you ever ridden a tumble dryer on a roller coaster track? I have now. Whew.